episode. In today's episode, I will be again talking about advanced selectors for drop downs. So first of all, suppose you have a static drop down with the select tag. So this is important. The value should be static and the tag should be select. Then what you can do is you can select first of all the tag, and then you can use the select property from support.ui.select, and then pass the static drop down. And you can select by index. So suppose you want to select the fourth element, so you can pass the third index. And if you want to get the text of the selected index, you can use drop down dot get first selected option dot get text. Similarly, if you want to select by text, you can pass the actual text, and you can also select by value. So I will just quickly show you guys over here. So this is the drop down which I am selecting. So here you can see this is the ID for the select tag, and it has this text. Okay, so this is what I'm referring to over here. And what I mean by select by wait, there is one more method. So I think this should be the method select by value. And here you can see these are the values. So I will just select INR. I will just select INR. Let's see if it works or not. Before running, I will also try to show you few other things as well. So the other thing is there is this other drop down which is not really a drop down. So here you can see it does not have the select tag. So here what I'm doing, I'm first selecting the ID. So once you click on it, you again have to select the plus button. So you can just use the ID over here as well. So this ID href increment add, and then you can click on the done button, which again has an ID, so which you can see over here. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just selecting those things by ID. Next, the last one is this one. So suppose first of all I want to click this, so I'm getting this ID, which you can see over here. Then I want to select some city, suppose Bangalore. So for that I will just select this one. So suppose I want to select Ahmedabad. So here you can see I can just pass an XPath with A, and then value equal to AMD. Okay, but here I am selecting Bangalore, that's why A at the rate value equal to BLR, which is for Bangalore. Now what it happens is that once you select this, the cursor automatically moves over here, and here we have to select another city. So here you can see there are same cities over here as well. Right now it is not displaying all the cities, but suppose you have selected Bangalore over from here, then there is a high chance that this will also display Bangalore. So you can't just write this tag again over here. You have to do it by index, and the index would be 2. And this is how you send the index for XPath. Okay, now suppose if your client says that I don't want index for whatever reason, so parent to child relationship via XPath is, so first of all you have to select your parent. This is my parent. Then you have to give it a space. So previously you might have selected, like, seen that parent to child traversal would be like we would give a forward slash, but this is not parent to child traversal. Like, this is parent to child relationship. So this is my div, and this is the anchor tag. Okay, and here I don't need to pass the index. I can just use dot click again. And if I show you guys, okay, so I will just click on this over here. So here you can see this is, I think this is the tag GLS. Okay, so this is what I am selecting. Then here you can see I don't need to select this table T body. I can directly select, suppose I want to select Bhopal, so I can directly use a at the rate value bho. Okay, so that's what this is about. So I will quickly run this to see if everything is working or not. So yeah, it works.